Millions of UK pensioners could be missing out on money in 2026 without even realizing it. New state pension rules, payment changes, and national insurance requirements could affect how much you receive each month. But here's the worrying part. Not everyone will qualify for the full pension, and many people won't find out until it's too late. In the next few minutes, we'll explain exactly what's changing, who could lose money, and the simple checks you should make to protect your pension. Welcome back. If you receive the UK state pension or you're planning to retire in the next few years, today's update is one you can't afford to miss. We'll break down the latest state pension changes for 2026, explain the new payment rules, reveal who could receive less than expected, and show you the key steps to make sure you're not missing out on money you're entitled to. Let's get started. If you receive the UK state pension or expect to claim it in the coming years, you will want to pay close attention because several important updates for 2026 could affect how much you receive, when you receive it, and whether you qualify for the full amount. Many people have already seen changes to pension payments over the past few years, but 2026 is shaping up to be another important year for pensioners and future retirees across the UK.
One of the biggest talking points is the continued adjustment of state pension payments. Each year, the government reviews pension rates, and increases are typically linked to the triple lock policy, which aims to protect pensioners from rising living costs. Under this system, the state pension usually rises by whichever is highest, inflation, average earnings growth, or 2.5%. While this has provided welcome increases for millions of pensioners, the amount you actually receive still depends on your personal national insurance contribution record. This is where many people could unexpectedly lose money. Thousands of individuals assume they will automatically receive the full new state pension only to discover that gaps in their national insurance record reduce their weekly payments. If you have not built up enough qualifying years through work, credits, or voluntary contributions, your pension could be significantly lower than the maximum available amount.
Another important issue for 2026 is the growing awareness around checking your state pension forecast before reaching retirement age. Many experts are encouraging people to review their national insurance history as early as possible. Finding missing contribution years in advance may give you the opportunity to make voluntary national insurance contributions, potentially increasing your future pension income. However, these opportunities may not remain available forever, so checking your records sooner rather than later could make a real financial difference. Payment schedules are also something pensioners should continue to monitor throughout 2026. State pension payments are generally made every 4 weeks, with the exact payment date determined by the last 2 digits of your national insurance number. During bank holidays, payments may arrive earlier than usual, so pensioners should always check official announcements to avoid confusion when planning monthly budgets.
There is also continued discussion surrounding the state pension age. Although no immediate increase is expected to take effect for everyone during 2026, future changes remain under government review. People approaching retirement should stay informed because future adjustments could affect the age at which they become eligible to start receiving their pension. Planning ahead has become more important than ever, especially for those who are only a few years away from retirement. Means-tested benefits are another area that deserves attention. Some pensioners focus only on their weekly state pension and overlook additional financial support that may be available. Depending on individual circumstances, some people may qualify for pension credit or other forms of assistance that can increase their overall income. Unfortunately, many eligible pensioners never submit a claim, leaving valuable financial support unclaimed each year. Scammers also continue targeting pensioners with fake messages, emails, and phone calls claiming there are problems with pension payments or asking for personal banking details. It is important to remember that official government departments will never ask you to confirm sensitive financial information through unexpected calls, text messages, or emails. Staying alert to fraud is just as important as staying informed about payment changes.
For anyone planning retirement, 2026 serves as a reminder that understanding the state pension system can have a lasting impact on financial security. Reviewing your national insurance contributions, checking your state pension forecast, staying updated on payment changes, and keeping track of government announcements can all help ensure you receive the amount you are entitled to. The key message is simple. Do not assume your pension will automatically be correct. A few minutes spent checking your record today could potentially protect thousands of pounds in future retirement income. With payment updates, contribution requirements, and ongoing policy discussions continuing throughout 2026, staying informed has never been more important. If you found this update helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest news on UK state pension updates, government benefits, and financial changes that could affect your household. Also, let us know in the comments whether you have already checked your state pension forecast or if you plan to review your national insurance record after watching this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this update useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest UK pension and government benefit updates. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with your state pension, leave a comment below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.